Dear students, Namaskar. Myself S.K. Rajput, and today we will discuss reactions of phenol. Different types of reactions. First, this A stands for acidic nature of phenol. Number one, acidic nature of phenol. Acidic nature. This is phenol. Phenol. Actually, this phenol benzene with OH. This phenol have acidic nature. So how can we prove that phenol is acidic? Simple. If phenol react with sodium, then it's salt. Sodium phenoxide is formed along with removal of H2 gas. Obviously, this reaction is also called test of phenol, because when we mix sodium metal in phenol, hydrogen gas remove, and this hydrogen gas burn with pop sound. So burning with pop sound means hydrogen gas is liberating and sodium is helped to remove H2 gas. Another, if we react NaOH, NaOH is base and phenol is acid. So after the reaction, same compound sodium phenoxide is formed, H and OH, water molecule remove and sodium phenoxide is formed. So actually this is neutralization reaction. It means base react with acid, form salt, sodium phenoxide along with removal of water. After the neutralization, salt and water form. This salt is called sodium phenoxide. This sodium phenoxide salt, this type reaction. If we put litmus solution in phenol, the color of litmus solution become red due to acidic nature of phenol. If you put blue litmus paper, it turns blue color litmus paper to red. The nature of phenol is acidic. So in exam they ask, give the reason phenol is acidic. Acidic. Why? These are lone pair on O of phenol. Due to resonance, these lone pair goes inside the ring, and after the second structure means in resonance, positive sign on phenol, oxygen atom, this type here occur, and this positive charge on oxygen atom help to remove easily this hydrogen atom. This hydrogen, this oxygen attract electron and hydrogen easily remove as proton. And after the reaction, this compound is formed. This compound is called phenoxide ion. Phenoxide ion. And phenoxide ion is also stable due to resonance. In phenoxide there is also resonance, double bond single. This minus sign goes inside the ring and this comes here, this type of structure. O double bond here, this type. So this is the resonance in phenoxide which provides stability to this ion, and this is the resonance in phenol. It helps to remove the hydrogen ion. And in exam they ask different factors which increase or decrease the acidic nature of phenol. So there are some factors like number one. Yes, sir. This is phenol. If any group is attached on any condition, suppose on para condition, then the group is NO2. In this compound, this is also phenol, but in phenol on para condition there is CH3 group. So CH3, the nature of CH3 group is electron donating nature. Electron donating nature means due to plus inductive effect, CH3 group provide electron to ring. So ring is unable to attract electron of oxygen, so this oxygen can't attract electron of hydrogen. If in nitro group connected on para condition, the nature of nitro is electron withdrawing group. Yeah, electron withdrawing nature. It means it attract electron of ring and ring attract electron of oxygen. Oxygen attract electron hydrogen and hydrogen is removed. It means that para nitrophenol is more acidic than para methyl phenol due to their electron donating otherwise electron attracting nature. It means that electron withdrawing nature groups increase the acidic strength of phenol. So first is nature of group, which type group are present. Second is where is the location of this group. Nitro is electron attracting group, but the position of this group, it means, listen, this is phenol, and in phenol the group where group is attached, the position of group is ortho, meta, otherwise para. So remember, the trick is MOP. It means if any electron withdrawing group is connected on ortho para position, it is stronger. O. If electron attracting group is on ortho condition, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So second condition is ortho, meta, para. Para is stronger, this is less stronger, and meta. If group is connected on meta condition, meta position, this is least acidic among all these three. So first we observe what is the nature of group, electron donating, other electron attracting. And second condition is what is the location of this group on ortho, para, or meta. So order is MOP. So MOP means meta, ortho and para. This is increasing order. Ortho is strong, para is stronger, ortho is less strong, but meta is lesser stronger. And third is number of groups. If in phenol only single group is connected, this is less stronger. More stronger is group if in this two nitro group are connected. L. If there are three group connected, it will be very stronger. So this is 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol, also called picric acid. This is ortho para dinitrophenol. This is orthonitrophenol. So this is increasing order of their acidic nature. It is more stronger, less stronger, and very less stronger. So the nature of phenol, acidic nature of phenol depends on these three factors. First factor is nature of group, second is position, location of group, and third is number of electron attracting group. Second, this B. The next B stands for a reaction. This reaction is called Bowman-Shorten reaction. B. B is means second point. Bowman-Sartan reaction. In Bowman-Sartan reaction, we are using a group. This compound is called benzoyl chloride. And when benzoyl chloride react with phenol, this is phenol. Phenol is reacting with here HCl remove HCl and can you observe which compound is formed? This compound is called benzoate and here this ring is connected from phenol. So this is called phenyl benzoate and phenyl benzoate is an ester. So this reaction is called, this is phenol. Bowman-Sartan reaction. B. Now again B. The next B is bromination of phenol. This is phenol. These two are very similar reaction. This is bromination and this reaction of nitric acid, this is called nitration. This is nitration and this is called bromination. If bromine and nitric acid, two different conditions, again two different. Bromine react with phenol in presence of CS2, otherwise in water solvent, and nitric acid is dilute or concentrated condition. So in these reaction, if bromine water react in CS2, two products are formed. First is orthobromophenol and second is parabromophenol along with removal of 2HBr. From here, from ortho and para hydrogen used react with Br and form BrBr along with removal of HBr. When bromine water react with this polar molecule, the reactivity, this is polar solvent, reactivity of bromine water increase and one single product is formed. This single product is Br, Br. It means this reaction 3Br react from ortho, para and ortho. This is called, this is 2, 4 and 6. 2, 4, 6 tribromophenol. This is white color PPT, white precipitate. So this is actually called test of phenol. It means if Br2 bromine react with phenol in aqueous solution, the reactivity of bromine increase and this white color precipitate is formed. The formation of this white color PPT means 2,4,6 tribromophenol indicate reacting species is phenol. If dilute nitric acid react, then only 2 NO2 from ortho and para just like this. Means in condition number 1, nitro group connected on ortho and second nitro group connected on para. These two products form along with removal of water molecule. From here OH and H, OH and H remaining NO2 connected on this ortho condition. This is para condition. This is called ortho nitrophenol. This is para nitrophenol. Remember, ortho nitrophenol form here the nitro group is just like double bond to single bond. In ortho nitrophenol, here between O of nitro and hydrogen of OH form intramolecular hydrogen bond. Intramolecular hydrogen bond, suppose I am ortho nitrophenol, so this indicate oxygen atom and this indicate hydrogen atom. these two hydrogen atom within a single molecule form intramolecular hydrogen bond. Intramolecular hydrogen bond. So due to intermolecular hydrogen bond, its boiling point is very less and it easily vaporize on heating. So it is volatile compound. But here para-nitrophenol form hydrogen bond between hydrogen atom of this molecule and nitrogen atom of another molecule. In this situation, this process is called association. Association, suppose this is hydrogen atom of one molecule and oxygen atom of another molecule. React successive and form association, means a long chain. These molecule associate and their thickness increase, their boiling point also increase, and para-nitrophenol is less volatile. Means if we provide heat, then orthonitrophenol easily volatile, means convert into vapor, and the boiling point of this become very high due to intermolecular hydrogen bond. But if concentrated nitric acid react with phenol, then this type compound, this is phenol, and from ortho, para and again ortho, from these three conditions nitro group connected with removal of water, and this is called 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. These are nitro. This is called TNT. TNP means trinitrophenol. This is also called picric acid. Picric acid. The picric acid is yellow colored solid. So in exam they ask how can you convert phenol to picric acid, and this is also called test of reaction. Bromination in water and nitric acid in its concentrated condition. Both reactions are test for phenol, because after the reaction white color 2,4,6 tribromo and in nitration yellow color 2,4,6 trinitro. This compound is also explosive in nature. So these two are test of phenol. We have studied acidic nature, bromination, Bowman-Sorton, nitration. Next is, suppose H is hydrogenation. Hydrogenation means reaction of hydrogen. If in presence of any metal, just like nickel, this is phenol, and we are reacting nitrogen in presence of nickel. This hydrogen joint on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I am using 3 to the 6. So inside the ring means double bond, single bond, double bond, alternate present. After this is compound is called C6H5OH. But after adding 6 hydrogen on here, the compound will form C6, 5 and 6, 11 OH. This is actually this type ring. This ring is called cyclohexane. Inside cyclohexane there is no double bond, single bond, and on top there is OH. So this is called cyclohexane. Cyclohexane. So reaction is called reduction, means addition of hydrogen. In exam they ask how can you convert cyclohexanol from phenol? Simple, by reaction of hydrogen in presence of any metal. Second, suppose oxidation. This is phenol, double bond, single bond, OH. This is phenol, and this is oxygen. If we are using K2Cr2O7 along with H2S4, this is strong oxygen. This strong oxygen provide oxygen, and these oxygen attack on this phenol for hydrogen and OH remove in water molecule, and this oxygen joint here and here, this type. Oxygen form double bond here, double bond, the valency of oxygen is 2. So inside ring you can't draw double bond, single bond, double bond. Here this type bond is formed. This compound is called benzoquinone. Also we can say this is only quinone. This is quinone, otherwise benzoquinone. This benzoquinone, I am writing this type. This is benzoquinone. Actually, this is called diketone. This is benzoquinone. This benzoquinone form here intermolecular hydrogen bond with next phenol. This is phenol here, and this also form intermolecular hydrogen with next phenol. This is phenol. So this whole compound is called phenoquinone. This compound is quinone and these are two phenols. So this compound is called phenoquinone. The color of phenoquinone is reddish pink. So sometimes they ask that why the color of phenol become pink, otherwise red on keeping it in air. Phenol easily oxidize also in air, and due to formation of this compound, the surface of phenol become pink due to oxidation. Its oxidation takes place by air, otherwise this compound. This is potassium dichromate acetic. First compound benzoquinone, after formation of intermolecular hydrogen bond with phenol and benzoquinone, phenoquinone is formed. Phenoquinone. Okay, so we have learned acidic nature, Bowman-Merton, bromination, hydrogenation, oxidation, nitration. One more important reaction is C. C stands for coupling reaction. This C means coupling reaction. So for coupling reaction I am writing here PAD, paired. Here P means you can use phenol, oblique, A for aniline. React with D. D is diazonium salt. Do you know what is diazonium salt? The diazonium salt is this, means this is benzene ring, this is N double bond N Cl. This compound is called benzene diazonium chloride. Here single bond. If benzene diazonium chloride react with phenol or aniline, then reaction is called coupling reaction. So after the reaction, which type compound will form? Observe. Here if on para condition, here you are using OH, compound is called phenol. If instead of OH you are writing NH2, compound will call aniline. Aniline means NH2 on here, otherwise OH means phenol. And after reaction, observe, this H and Cl remove. H of from para position of this group and chlorine from BTC. Here this ring along with OH, otherwise NH2. This compound is called, this is called BDC, benzene diazonium chloride. And in this compound, this is azonium and this is benzene. So actually, this is phenol, otherwise aniline. And this compound is called azobenzene. Azobenzene means this group azo, these are two benzene ring azobenzene. But in azobenzene, on para position there is a hydroxy, otherwise amino group. So as a prefix we should write para hydroxy, otherwise you can say para amino, para hydroxy azobenzene, para hydroxy azobenzene. The color of this compound is, in case of hydroxy, the color of this compound is orange. Otherwise, in case of NH2, this is yellow. So actually this is dye. Dye which is used for coloring of clothes. So this compound means para hydroxy azobenzene, para amino azobenzene. This is dye and formation of this dye reaction is called coupling reaction, and this reaction also used the test of phenol or aniline, but both give this reaction. So in coupling reaction you can use phenol, otherwise you can use aniline with BDC, and after the reaction para hydroxy otherwise para amino azobenzene is formed. And one more distinguished test, if in test 2 there is phenol and there is alcohol, how can we distinguish? You can use this reaction, otherwise the very simple is FeCl3 test, ferric chloride test. Listen. So actually this is phenol and FeC3 means we are reacting with ferric chloride solution. If we are adding ferric chloride solution, Fe3 plus obtained from ferric chloride. So after the reaction, 6 molecules of phenol are used and 6 hydrogen plus remove, and here this type compound is formed. O whole 6 Fe. Here plus charge Fe3, this is oxidation plus 3, and here 3 minus charge is formed. This compound is called hexaphenoxide iron, otherwise ferric phenoxide. This is complex. Its color is yellow color, otherwise blue violet color. Depends on concentration of these two. So its color sometimes violet color appear. Ferric phenoxide compound. Ferric phenoxide complex. This is ferric phenoxide complex, of which generally violet color appear. This is the test of phenol. One more thing. What? Reactions of RX. RX are alkyl halide. So phenol does not direct react with haloalkane. Suppose this is CH3Br. We are reacting with CH3Br. It will not direct react. So for reacting, we should take its sodium salt. This is sodium phenoxide. Phenol first you treat with NaOH, it will form sodium phenoxide, and when sodium phenoxide is heated with this compound, sodium and Br, any Br remove, you can use here methyl ethyl, otherwise methyl chloride, ethyl chloride, otherwise you can also here you can use bromo, otherwise iodo, but not fluorine. So after the reaction, this type compound is formed. Can you guess name of this compound? This is phenyl OCH3. This is called anisole. Anisole, also you can say methyl phenyl ether. This is ether. If in this reaction you are using C2H5, after the reaction here instead of CH3, C2H5 is joined and compound will called phenatol. So if these two are aromatic ether, if CH3, this is called anisole. If there is C2H5, this is called phenitol. Anisole and phenitol. These are two aromatic ether. After some time, in next video, we will discuss about these three different reactions, just like Reimer-Thieme reaction, Friedel-Crafts reaction, Kolbe reaction, reaction with formaldehyde. Thank you for watching. Namaskar.